Yun guys, kasalukuyan
First of
po
all, I'd
nasa
like to thank you guys for putting the effort para makapunta dito. It's gonna be a block screening for my movie together with a housemate din, si Sofia, and of course, yung mga housemates din ng Collab 1, na sila Josh, and sila Kira, and marami pang iba, yan sila Sean, sila Michael, kasama din namin si Ate Shubi, sila Anthony. So, ayun, sila Charlie, of course. Pero, ayan, gusto ko lang magpasalamat sa inyo lahat at nakapunta kayo dito. I'm just really excited na mapanood niyo yung movie. And sa mga nag-organize, of course, sa Ellie ko, maraming salamat sa pag-organize ito. Sobrang cute ng setup. Tapos may photo booth pa sa labas. So I'm just really thankful to have you guys. And I hope you guys enjoy the movie. And ayun, marami pa tayong pagkasamahan. Hindi lang naman ito yun, but yes. Maraming salamat. And I'm sorry kasi hindi ako makakapag-stay na ganun katagal kasi I have an event sa Mosimo mamaya. So, ayun. Salamat. Maraming salamat and I hope you guys enjoy the movie and that's it for me. Nasa sa edit na yan. Mag-enjoy na kayo dyan mamaya. Thank you for having me then and yeah, see you when I see you.
Yeah.